Mr. Nakwali, in respect to accused number 2, is accused number 2 prepared to make those admissions?
Thanks, my Lord. My Lord, I've consulted with accused number 2. He is not prepared to sign the admissions. And I did explain the implications of the section 2 admissions, but nevertheless, he does not want to involve himself in something that he does not know. The state has to read evidence.
In respect of the further accused, because we're going to have to allow the state to deal with it.
But I cannot take instructions in relating to this.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because it stops with you. Can I just revert to Mr. Ndamase now? Because of the reluctance, or the refusal of accused number 2 to make those admissions, it will not be necessary for him to make those admissions in terms of section 220. The state will have to lead evidence.
Ufuna into yoba ezotshutshiswa sibonise ubunye naboba obabunye nabulawo maqembu bunyaniso na.
Do you understand?
Yeah, yes, I do.
Yes, thank you. May be seated. Mr. Makubalu, what is the position regarding this additional documentation that has been given to accused number 1? Does it relate to all the accused?
My Lord, it's only in respect of chain evidence, my Lord. Yes, it does relate to all accused, my Lord. Yes, it's only 3 statements, including the SAP 13 register, my Lord. So those were the 4 documents that were given to the defense counsel this morning.
So do I understand correctly that wasn't part of the original docket contents that were handed over to the defense earlier on?
Not at all, my Lord. It was on a matter or issue that was discovered after we consulted with the state witnesses, and then we felt that there is a necessity to obtain those documents to the relevant witnesses.
Well, I'll find out what the attitude of defense counsel is. You've heard what accused number 1 has said. He's obviously disappointed to be given something late and wants to know whether all the documentation can be given to him. Have you got anything else that is going to be furnished down the line that you could make available at this stage?
No, not at all, my Lord. That is something that we have discovered during consultation. It was unforeseen to us at that moment we were reading the docket, my Lord.
Let me find out firstly, Mr. Nakwali, what is the attitude of you as defense counsel to the handing over of documentation at this stage?
Scott, please, Lord, I also confirm that we were given some documents by the state just today, and we had some discussion with the state to the fact that it seems there are cases developing day by day by giving us new documents, and we need some time to consult with clients so that they give us instruction in relation to the set documents. When we consulted, they were not there. We consulted and gave some advices, but now it seems with the new information, we have to reconsult so that we consider the advices that we have given to clients and the direction to take after having received the documents. In that case, I believe we cannot then proceed. We are unable to proceed without having consulted and taken instructions.
And that will take some time. I haven't seen these documents, but you need to tell me, is it likely to be possible in an hour or two, or do you want to take the rest of today?
In 2 hours, can be done in 2 hours.
And then we might as well not be here, because with that and a lunch adjournment for court staff, we will be at the end of the court day. Can I just find out, other defence counsel, are you in the same position?
Yes, my lord, I'm also on the same position. This is just to assist us to formulate a proper discipline for our clients, your worship. And this is, your worship, it's going to be new consultation from the initial consultations that we had.
All right. Thank you. Mr. Babane, are you in the same position too?
I'm in the same position. I wrote another submission. I align myself with the submission by other two councils.
As well, my lord, without case number 6, I share the same sentiment. I also am sitting in the same position as others.
So what I propose then, it will become evident when I address accused number 1. In fact, it's a decision I've made, Mr. Makabalo. It's not possible to expect the defence to face whatever witness you might decide to call as your first witness without being able to have had proper preparation in respect of this matter. So I'm going to allow it to stand down until tomorrow for that to happen.
As a court pleases, my lord.
Can I just tell Mr. Ndamase now that he also will spend the rest of today, he must look at those documents that have been made available to him. From what I'm hearing, it's a set of statements, which normally means that it's evidence that's going to be led by witnesses. And the SAP 13 register, that is, I don't know whether he knows it or not, that is the register in which exhibits usually taken from a crime scene are booked in for safekeeping.
Futhi malunga namaxwebhu la uthi uwafumana namhlanje ityala lizawumiswa kwenzela into yoba unikwe ithuba elaneleyo lento yokokuba ujonge loo maxwebhu lawo uwafunde kwenzela uzokwazi ukuxoxa njengoba umtshutshisi ethi ungqina omutsha umthetho bavela xa ebethetha namanqina kuzawuba khona inkundla into yoba ingaba umntwana sebenziswa esephi-13 nencwadi yokuthi xa kusuka ubungqina obufunyenwe kwindawo yesehlo kuhambe kwezinkulu unayo obo bungqina apho kum esaphi-13 nayo. Yes, I have been aware of that, of the SAP 13, my lord, and I have been document SAP.
Yes, very well then. So unfortunately now we're obliged to adjourn this matter again until tomorrow morning.
Ngelishwa ityala eli ke kuzawufuneka namhlanje sebayikhoso ukunika ithuba nabameli babanye abantu abafunde lamaxwebhu bewanikwa namhlanje ukulungisela.
Can I just ascertain, once consultations have been held in respect of these additional documents, the matter then resumes. Are you intent then to be leading your first witnesses?
Yes, my lord, but firstly, I will just have to make an application to admit the postmortem reports in section 4 and 2, section 4, my lord, and then we need evidence after that.
So it would be appropriate at this stage to indicate to those responsible for live streaming that in accordance with the directive given by the court, and this will be the end of the live streaming opportunity until there is a decision of some moment relating to an element of the trial or judgment or something of that nature, in respect of which you will be given notice should you wish to live stream that. But in respect of live evidence, it was the decision of the court that it would not be in the interests of justice to allow for live streaming to occur while witnesses are giving evidence in this matter. So thank you for your cooperation and for the manner in which you've handled the live streaming thus far. Court will adjourn.